I've been here for a long time. It's been quiet lately. The wind is blowing through the alley, and the birds are whispering. I can feel it, hear it, but I can't see it. I used to see so many things happen, but recently, I've just been sitting around. I haven't seen my friends in a while, but I know they're still out there somewhere. I wish I could reach out to them. I'm stuck here with no possibility to communicate. My tank is empty and I'm out of energy. I want to finally shine again. Well, a kick in the ass might help. Wow, that was a tough day. Finally, I'm happy to be back in my comfy place. I'm looking forward to getting some rest now. My name is Heidi, and I'm a Tofflee. See you next year.